Hey, hello everyone. So here is my second video about software development. On your way to become a great software developer. So I prefer to be on that side because the lightning is better. Okay, so the subject of today. So every video I make, I want to make them short, concise, precise, clear. You know, so you understand and you don't spend a lot of time watching videos. You can rewatch the video again. You make your own researches. You comment in the YouTube comments. You share with the community any questions you have. You do some work on your side as we forward. It's all about you. Of course, me too, because I want to teach. But we're here to help. There's a community there to help you to achieve your goal of being a software developer. So let's go with the subject of today. What is front-end development and back-end development? In my last video, I finished talking about this, which is the modern web development of today. So the modern web development is separated between front-end and back-end. The front-end is everything the user will see. Right? The back end, like I mentioned in the last video, is the layer with the data. So that front end is programmed with a language we call JavaScript. Means this is the language, JavaScript, for your browser, right? All the browsers, your navigators, such as Chrome and so on, Google Chrome, Explorer, it understands this language, which is JavaScript and HTML, CSS. And in the back end, you have different languages. You can make a research about them. That would be a good homework to do. I mean, not homework, but just like a little research on your side to do. There are different languages you can program the back end, such as Java, PHP, C#, right? Python, Node.js, and so on. So they use different languages. Though Node.js is with JavaScript as well. This is what we call serverless, but this is another thing we will talk in the future. So you see, you have front end, which uses a language that the browser can understand, which is JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And in the back end, we have different languages for the data. We call also the languages in the back end as server-side languages. So these are languages that will directly interact with the data. And these languages are, server-side. So they always communicate with they have the capacity to communicate with the data directly, the database. We call the database because the data is stored in the database, and it has the capacity to communicate with the front end, the browser language, right? So while the front end directly communicates with the back end to receive the data, to retrieve it, right? The back end communicates with the front end, which is server-side language, to pass any information the front end needs. So we'll just finish with that, with these keywords, and you can make just a little research on your side, right, about these keywords that I mentioned, and I will mention them also in the description, so you can just read about it. It's all about reading about it, right? Read about it little by little. The important is to be passionate about what we do. And I think through the videos you will get more and more what we talk about. So thank you very much. I always want to go below 4 minutes, but this time I went about 4 minutes. I tried to make it around 3 minutes a video, 3 minutes 30. But anyway, see more in the description about these keywords. Make a little research, share with the community, share in the comments. Okay, it was a pleasure. So of course I would prefer to film with this side because it's much better, but I feel It's still good, but I feel the, the lightning is the light effect is better on the other side. But that's okay. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. Let me know. Bye.